In today's tech landscape, terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science are often used interchangeably, creating confusion even among professionals. This comprehensive guide breaks down the hierarchical layers of AI and clarifies the distinct roles each field plays in the broader technology ecosystem. Think of AI as a hierarchy with 4 distinct layers, each building upon the previous one. Let's explore each layer, starting from the foundation. Layer 1. Data science, the foundation. The interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge from data. Think of it as the entire toolkit for understanding data, like being a detective, statistician, and storyteller combined. Core components include data collection and cleaning, statistical analysis, and data visualization. Tools like Python, R, Tableau, and Power BI transform raw data into business intelligence and predictive analytics. Real-world applications span from market research and customer segmentation to healthcare analytics and supply chain optimization. Data science provides the foundation that all other AI layers build upon. Layer 2. Artificial intelligence, the umbrella. The broadest category encompassing any technique that enables machines to mimic human intelligence. Think of it as the entire universe of making computers smart, from simple rule-based systems to advanced neural networks. Narrow AI, our current reality, excels at specific tasks like Siri, Google Search, and recommendation engines. General AI, matching human cognitive abilities, remains theoretical, with experts predicting achievement between 2045 and 2100, if ever. AI encompasses techniques beyond machine learning: expert systems, fuzzy logic, genetic algorithms, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Each technique serves specific purposes in the broader AI ecosystem. Layer 3. Machine learning, the learning engine. A subset of AI that enables systems to automatically learn and improve from experience without explicit programming. Think of it as teaching computers to find patterns and make predictions by showing them examples rather than programming every possible scenario. Supervised learning uses labeled examples in a teacher-student model with algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. Applications include email spam detection, medical diagnosis, stock price prediction, and image classification. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns without labeled data, like detective work, using clustering and dimensionality reduction techniques. Use cases include customer segmentation, fraud detection, recommendation systems, and data compression. Reinforcement learning works through trial and error with rewards and penalties, like a video game model where an agent learns optimal strategies. Famous applications include game AI like AlphaGo, autonomous vehicles, trading algorithms, and robotics control. Layer 4. Deep learning, the neural network revolution. A subset of machine learning inspired by the human brain, using artificial neural networks with multiple layers. Think of it as building artificial brains with interconnected neurons that learn complex patterns through multiple layers of processing. Basic components include neurons as processing units, weights determining connection strength, bias for fine-tuning, and activation functions determining output. Information flows through input layers, multiple hidden layers, and output layers in increasingly complex architectures. Convolutional neural networks specialize in image and visual data processing, using convolutional layers, pooling, and filters. Applications include image recognition, medical imaging, and autonomous vehicle vision systems. Recurrent neural networks handle sequential data and time series, with memory of previous inputs through LSTM and GRU variants. They power language translation, speech recognition, and stock prediction systems. Transformer networks revolutionized AI with attention mechanisms, enabling parallel processing and solving long-range dependency problems. They power large language models like GPT and BERT, revolutionizing natural language processing and expanding to computer vision. Each layer has distinct characteristics. Data science focuses on insights, AI on human-like intelligence, machine learning on pattern learning, and deep learning on neural network learning. They differ in data requirements, interpretability, and computational needs. Choose data science for business insights and reporting. Choose traditional AI for explainable, rule-based systems. Choose machine learning for pattern recognition with medium datasets. Choose deep learning for unstructured data and complex patterns with massive datasets. In practice, successful AI systems integrate multiple approaches. E-commerce platforms use all 4 layers for comprehensive solutions. Real-world projects typically follow a pipeline: data science for foundation, AI for strategy, machine learning for automation, and deep learning for complex pattern recognition. Emerging trends include AutoML for democratization, MLOps for deployment, explainable AI for interpretability, and edge AI for device-level processing. Modern AI systems increasingly combine multiple approaches, with each layer contributing its unique strengths. Understanding these layers is crucial for career planning, organizational strategy, and educational pathways in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Remember, the most successful AI practitioners understand not just how to use these tools but when to use them and how they complement each other. The key to mastering AI is not choosing between these approaches, but understanding how they work together to create intelligent solutions that drive real value.